Introducing ETS-RD02, a compact and high-performance UHF keyboard emulator, reader, and writer from EcoTrack Systems. Designed for registration, encoding, and authentication of RFID tags and cards, it operates on global UHF frequencies between 865 and 928 MHz. It supports ISO 18000-6C/EPC Class 1 Gen 2 protocol and offers a read range of up to 25 centimeters for reliable tag performance. The built-in keyboard emulator allows the tag ID to appear instantly wherever the cursor is placed in Excel, Notepad, or any software field. With plug-and-play USB connectivity, LED and buzzer indicators, and a durable IP55 rated housing, it's built for smooth desktop use. Compatible with Windows and Linux, the ETS-RD02 delivers fast and accurate tag operations without any external drivers or setup. It's ideal for student and employee attendance, asset tracking, access control, retail and gate automation applications. ETS-RD02, the efficient, easy to use, and durable UHF desktop reader and writer from EcoTrack Systems.